Hey, what's up guys, Ekansh here. In the last video, you and I have done a full unboxing of the Realme earbuds. Those who have not yet watched it, just go through. The link is in the description down below and a suggestion strip on the top right. Now in this video, you and I are going to view the full specific of Realme Buds Wireless and hope this will help you your buying decision. First is the design. Realme Buds Wireless look exactly same in the aesthetic compared to any other neckband earbuds in the market right now. The design is familiar enough and there is nothing too spectacular about it, which appears a lot like any other earbuds in the same price range. These Realme Buds Wireless consist of a rubbery matte black neckband attached to two glossy black control arms. Only the right arm contains the control, volume up, down and connection button, and that's also where the charging port is. The same matte black glossy back design applies to the earbuds, which have adjustable arms. I call them shark fins, to hold them place in your ears. Those are super flexible and don't cause any discomfort. Next is the build. The build quality for the Realme Buds Wireless is amazing. You can bend the wireless in any direction without breaking it. So they will survive being placed in a bag or coiled up in a pocket while you are carrying. The earbuds themselves ship with a total of 3 nibs, which are easy to swap for a more comfortable fit on your ear for the better sounding. And the weight of this Realme Buds Wireless is just 30 grams, so you won't feel you have put it on. Charging can be a pain because of the cylindrical shape of the device. You have to hold the control arm in a certain angle and the port itself isn't perfectly centered to make finding that easy. The open charging port also means that the IPX4 rating applies only to the buds, not to the full earbuds. These are sweat proof but definitely not waterproof, so don't wear them while you're taking shower. Finally, these headphones attracts a lot of dust. Cleaning is very easy, but it will attract dust as soon as you will clean them. Third one is sound. Sound from Realme Buds Wireless is comparatively brilliant to the other earphones in the market with the same price range. With bass boosted by 11.2 mm driver along with Bluetooth 5.0, it should come as a no surprise that Realme Buds Wireless is not lacking in audio quality department. In fact, the sound here is actually more well balanced than it is with many devices comes at this price point. No pitches or frequency overpowering each other in the sound quality. Fourth one is the battery. The battery life isn't as advertised, it is even better. Charging these Realme Buds Wireless is not that frequent despite having only 110 mAh battery. The process nearly took just over an hour and a half to get these fully charged. The LED charging indicator shifts from a dim red to a bright blue when they are fully charged. The small battery doesn't limit listening time though. Since the battery life here is actually much better than it is advertised, I listened at between a third of volume and slightly over that. That turned out to be all I needed to drown out environmental noise once the proper earplug size was selected, which technically behaves as an active noise cancellation feature. Realme rates its headphone lasts for 12 hours, but I actually got it around a 15 hours of playback sound with 2/3 of the volume. For low battery indication also, you won't be hearing any annoying noise or a message saying your battery is low and you have to charge it. They play exactly the same sound downwards when they are connecting. Fifth one is connection. Connections are almost as strong as how the sound quality of this Realme Buds Wireless. These Realme Buds Wireless gets connected very well to the Android device as well as the iOS device at the same ease. Realme equipped these earbuds with magnets. Now, magnets in the earbuds are nothing new, which you might have already seen in the plenty of other earbuds, which basically help prevent neckband based wireless just like this one falling off and becoming lost. In this case, they serve a dual purpose. That mechanism actually acts as an on-off button for this device. After initially turning the device on, you can activate or deactivate it by bringing the magnets together. When it comes to how these earbuds pair, Tex helps via Bluetooth 5.0 connection. In my opinion, Realme Buds Wireless has accomplished a well-balanced listening experience with the low price package they come in. It's just $70.99 in the price point. With number of pros like the sound is louder than expected, balance of frequency level in on point, low pricing for great value, solid time-tested flexible design, comfortable to wear, all-day battery, plenty of bass without being overwhelmed, easy to use multifunction buttons, magnetic earbuds drive to on off the pairing function. However, nothing in this world is perfect, and these Realme Earbud Wireless also has some cons, like inconsistent performance on voice calls, long charging time, no real water resistance, and an open micro USB port. All in all, this handset is a well built, has decent battery life, and a very comfortable to wear. Realme Buds Wireless is doing exactly what it is supposed to do in this price bracket. No more, no less. I'm sure by this time you have already decided that you want to buy this Realme Buds Wireless or not. Do mention in the comment section below with all your queries you have on this product. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Till then, stay home, stay safe. See you in the next one. Bye bye.